Hello students, today we will study about multi-stage amplifier. So let us start. We can see in the diagram or in the figure multi-stage amplifiers AV1, AV2, AVN. You can see there amplifier 1, amplifier 2, amplifier N. Okay, so let us start. The amplifier in which more than one stages of amplifier are used to achieve greater voltage and greater power gain is called multi-stage amplifier. Means we use more than one amplifier to achieve greater power and greater voltage and greater gain. So we can see here that amplifier 1 output is connected as input to the amplifier 2. So whatever the input we are getting from the amplifier 1, we are giving it to the amplifier 2. From 2 to it will go to 3 and for the n number of times. Output of one stage is connected to the amplifier of the next stage. So here we can see that whatever the output is there, we will be giving it to the next stage. So whenever you give output of one stage to the input to the next stage, we call this connection as cascading. See here, we can see this V01 is given as input to the amplifier 2. So in this way we will be connecting to the more number of amplifier. So this interconnection of one amplifier to another amplifier is known as cascading. Okay, what it is known as cascading. Why cascading is done? Cascading is done to achieve large number of voltage, large power gain and bandwidth. Now, multi-stage amplifier has three stages. First stage, it will decide the input of the input impedance. Middle stage will define or it will fulfill the high voltage gain. And the last stage will decide the output impedance. Now there are various parameters of the multi-stage amplifier. We have overall voltage gain of multi-stage amplifier which is defined as AV is equal to AV1 into AV2 into AV3 into n number of AV. AV is your voltage gain. Next is your overall voltage current gain. So your overall voltage current overall current gain is given as AI is equal to AI1 into AI2 into AI3 to the n number of amplifier. Next we have overall input resistance, that is Ri, which is equal to the input resistance of the first stage. Then we have overall output resistance R0, Ro, which is equal to the output resistance of the last stage. So these are the various multi-stage parameters. Again, as we know, what is the gain? Gain is your output upon input. So voltage gain in dB is given as 20 log to the base 10 V0 by Vin, and power gain in the dB is given as 20 log to the base 10 P output upon P input. Now amplifier coupling and its type. We have some concept called as coupling. What is coupling? It is basically connecting output stage to the next stage. See, we will study in detail. In the multi-stage amplifiers, the output signal of the previous stage is connected to the input signal of the next stage. Matlab, first output we will get from the first stage, it will be given as input to the next stage. So whatever the output we are giving from the first stage, we are giving it to the stage 2. So this is your interstage coupling. So coupling, we are doing interconnection. Depending upon the type of components used, we have to couple the signal. So we have different types of couplings. These are the different types of coupling. So we have RC coupled, transformer coupled and direct coupled. So RC will have resistors and capacitors. Transformer coupling will have transformer, which is used for coupling one stage to another stage, and then we have a direct coupling. Thank you.